Give me a cinnamon for me device, you know, say a tease God, make them know so we three bad. I mean, I represent for Earlden TV. You know it go wild and corrupt. Check in or check out.
You don't have to put yourself, bro. Just record the car coming in.
I know what you mean. You just want to record when you're driving the car inside. You put for YouTube. Okay? Just hold down.
I just show the car driving up here.
You know, yeah, like that. You just record.
How you record?
You know it's recording.
Respect, my brother. Respect. Yes, guys, so right now I'm in Spitter Hill. I'm checking out this African car wash, right? I come here often, but I just decided, you know what, I want to come and support the business. You know what I mean? So I'm going to just show you where I'm at right now on car wash. You get me? Yeah, man. Wash out the machine. Man. Right now, this car wash here, you know what I mean, it's African brothers that run this car wash. So like I say, I come here and I support the business, you get me? You know what I mean? So yeah, this is, you know what I mean, check it out. Yeah, man, you're trying to support though, but like, the guys them like afraid of the camera though, you know what I mean? But they don't understand like this is like business for them. You get me? Machine looking clean. Machine looking clean already, dog. Yeah, so if you want a car wash, come down at Spitter Hill, Sheffield, right? I kind of walk out to the roadside so you can see, like, you know, where it is, you know what I mean? Check it out. Over there, so across the street over there is where like Nelly's restaurant used to be, you know what I mean? Nelly's restaurant is not there no more. Well, yeah. Mark. So which is really cool. Can I piece look better? So go and flip it to the gold piece, bro. What? This used to be Nelly's sandwich shop, you know. Now it's like a lighter and e-cigarette shop. You get me? I mean, shout out to Nelly's anyway she did, you know. Yeah, so we're just out here, Spitter Hill, Sheffield. You know what I mean? Take the car to wash. You know what I mean? The area lively, busy. Oh. The car wash over there. I'm gonna wash out the machine. Machine them dirty, but we are all clean. Clean. Man. The area full of vibes, you know? Full of vibes. There's not like different shops as well. You know, in the shop here is called Red Sea. I usually go there and get like veg and stuff. You look on there, you got enough veg and stuff on there in the dark. Enough vegetables and stuff. Again, watermelon, fruit then. Okay. Walk over here, so. Okra and all of the things that we know that. Banana over here, so. Yeah, so this is called Red Sea. And you get your meat and your veg and stuff like that. It's right across the street from the car wash. It's forward, you know? Check it out. Yes, bro. I was just showing them your shop, innit? See what's up, dog?
Yeah, it's good shop. Thank you, boss.
What's the shop called?
Red Sea.
Red Sea.
Red Sea supermarket.
What do you mean, man? Come on. Very good shop, bro. But it's not about Red Sea today, it's about the car wash. You know what I mean? Car wash today. And just forward back. Check out what going. Machine going clean up. This shop here, them guys do a very good job, you get me? You know? Very good job. You know? But I just like to support, you know, different businesses, you get me?
Some people they don't like to be recorded, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yellow, you so good and you get 10 out of 10. Mumble up yourself and then you spread out again. What about the good like so you make out a gem? Acting at your clothes and you step out again. I just 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. your book and make me take out the pen. I just spend out that 10 out, that 10 out, that 10. Mumble up yourself, me and me, I want to that. Yeah. Hello. I got to tell you, them kind of feelings I felt you. No, said you're independent, baby, but somehow me want help you. When you touch your toe, that's the best view. Body right, your body right, how me feel left you. See the anything you want, or when you get moved. Let you the channel, let me tell you, girl, you are the best. Tell them say me heartless, none right on my chest. You gone with it, girl, me that feel confess. Shift, you're now for undress. Empress. Yellow, you so good that you get 10 out of 10. Mumble up yourself and then you spread out again. What about the good like so you make out a gem? Hot in your clothes when you step out again. And just 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Open your book and let me take out the pen. And just 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Mumble up yourself, me and me, I want to that. Yeah. Slow wine, girl, is so fine. Call and me come in no time. Ready again, set up steady again. Girl, and you have the gold mine. You take it, you tack it, you lift it, you chop it, me dip in my pocket. Yeah. Me love it, no stop it. Me tell you, you got it, and I am a addict. Yeah. Me love your body. You make me happy. You bring me joy when you sit down on the chair. Hey man, I live fiercely. Out of order. A mount of Gucci, mount of Prada. Me pull up on your big girl, mount of water. Sorry that this and me just came out your daughter. Out of order. I me no mix and me no hot out of drama. I want phone call flat out of corner. If I no money, talk black out of corner. Left Dubai, stop out of Ghana. And the big girl want a pump banana. The M1 boy knock out a Ghana. No friend man gun pop out a trauma. Say them a chop for them a chop bout a farmer. See them a back you check them account no bother. Me no see no fence bill, no order. And not a baby money ya we go order. Me bring a charger foreign in a garage. A foreigner still a fly in a yard. Plug in the charger, she no need massager. Cock it up, girl, and no feel smaller. Face it, out order. A mount of Gucci, mount of Prada. Me pull up on the big girl, mount of water. Sorry that this and me just came out your daughter. Out order. I me no mix and me no hot out of drama. I want phone call flat out of corner. If I no money, talk black out of corner. Talk and make us say them well want the goat then. The most sell and we make the most spread. I ghost them in the foreign that one before sled. I toast them at anything in the squat dead. You can't mix murder with coated. My posted with the matic, me no know bed. Me not for dance, I'm a got it, now she know bread. Me lay up in the attic, unloaded. Big up every real bad charge. What you? Big up every real bad charge. Me see, oh, them are dirty. Me I tell you, say them are dirty. For real, them are dirty. Them the one with it to pass 30. But me no carry feelings. Me carry me gun them. Me carry me gun them. Me no carry feelings. Me carry me gun them. Me carry me gun them. Oh. Them if you know so them not gonna ever get the chance to send me up like Mandela. Envious people and crabbing a barrel, them open up your head like umbrella. Real killing no sell out, we no sell her. Watching for my mouth, them a tell her. That's why me par with some real thugs like Scully and Joshy and Shella. Some boy, them are dirty. Me I tell you say them are dirty. For real, them are dirty. Them no one will eat the past 30. But me no carry feelings. Me carry me gun them. Me carry me gun them. Me no carry feelings. Me carry me gun them. Me carry me gun them. Well them fi know say me a the greatest. Every day me dress up in the latest. Them nah get the chance to kill me Allah. Me try to nick the safest. That's why me fuck them gal in the latex. Late in the night she send me latex. Said the boy, but mind the God in the earth. Call me top plate dearer than them paychecks. Me see, him a dirty. Me a tell you say them a dirty. For real, them a dirty. Them no one will live to pass 30. But me no carry feelings. Me carry me gun them. Me carry me gun them. Me no carry feelings. Me carry me gun them. Me carry me gun them. Big up every real. Bad charge. Big up every real. Them if you know so them not gonna ever get the chance to set me up like Mandela. Envious people and crabbing about real them who open up your head like umbrella. Real killing no sell out, we no sell her. Watching for my mouth, them a tell her. That's why me par with some real thugs like Scully and Joshy and Shella. Some boy, them are dirty, man. First I tell me that them are dirty. Be real, them are dirty. Them now I will leave the past dirty.
Yes, guys, so just been to the car wash, washed the car. I mean, it's a beautiful day today. While I was washing the car, the guys didn't really want to be recorded that much, so I just basically just did a little bit of recording in there and, you know, try to promote the business as much as possible. But shout out to the guys over there at Bungreve or Spitter Hill Hand Car Wash. Shout out to the guys over there. Like I said, it's African brothers. You know what I mean? So I just think it's only right to go and support the African brothers them. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, I washed the car, I got a few footage, and you know, this is what the car look like now. You know, seeing that it's been washed, check it out. Yes, guys, so it looks fresh, it looks clean, and because it didn't want to be recorded, I just did the outside because the inside is not that dirty anyway, so I just basically did the outside. And I mean, check it out, check out the inside, check out the inside, like, show you the inside. As you can see, inside is clean inside. It's clean. Inside is clean. But yeah, guys, I just thought, like, you know, it's been a beautiful day, so I just decided that, you know what, I'm just gonna go out and, you know, do a bit of vlogging and like I say, show off that business, so that you know, if you want to get your car wash, you can go over there to Bungreve. Oh, sorry, you can go over there at Spitter Hill, you know what I mean, right across the street from Red Sea, if you know Sheffield, and you can go support the guys over there in the hand car wash over there. You get me? Like I said, they didn't want to be recorded that much, so I just record quite a little bit of content. And but yeah, all in all, it's all good. You know what I mean? But yeah, see you in the next video. Bless.
Grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't want to dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it, they pay me to show you I do it again. Huh? Yeah, I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Wanna make this place go pop. The crib is over the top. The whip is over the top. I thought about letting her go, but I wasn't over the top. I can't be pale in my casket, make sure I die with a 10. It's part of the brand. I know that I came with a slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. Can I depend on a man? I slided some bread in the jam, that's just who I am. Custom just waving at us from the window, they don't even come on play when we land.
Planet, god damn it.
Yo, it's a hyena job, bigging up all them TV, you know the thing go. Maramba, yo, log in, like, subscribe. Yo, beer madness, you know when they go around the Caribbean, go around the world, them I bring it to new places, new events, new style, you know the thing go. Yo, hyena job, see that? Bruh.
Hey, kick it. Billy vibe, Billy vibe, Billy vibe. So grimy, I'm so grimy. Them dead. Bury all, bury all, bury all. No. Kick it. Billy vibe, Billy vibe. Bigging up Earl them TV. Kick it, the world them TV. Oh, shit.
Mad. Mad. Banging.
Yo, pick up Earl Dem TV, just one represented.
Come on.
Alright.
Then TV.
Hey yo, this is Don Jamel the Bad Boss, bigging up Earl Den TV. You see me? No pre-week.
Mad.